Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix create cutout sticker not showing on Instagram. So here, if you think your cutout sticker option is not work on your app, your Instagram account, so you can try to open the Play Store first or the App Store and search for Instagram. Here you can open the Instagram and you can update it. So if you don't have uh, the update button, it means you already update your Instagram. Please update first. So here the latest update is on November 25, 2024, and this is the version 359.0.0.59.89. After that, you can hold your Instagram app icon and tap application info. Here you can go to the storage usage and you can clear cache, and even you can consider to clear the data, but you need to re-log in into your account. Now you can open your Instagram. Now in order to create a cutout stickers, you can tap plus button and create your story first. Now after that, you can tap sticker or filter at the top of your screen, and here you can tap on the cutouts or the scissor icon. Tap it and choose the image that you want to create the stickers, and let the process begin. You can wait the process. This is the automatically, but after this you can select manually. So if you still don't have this cutout stickers option, you can try to uninstall the Instagram and try to reinstall it. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.